Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to color correction using both volume up and volume down keys in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our shortcut we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in advanced settings menu we have volume up and down buttons. Right now we have color inversion here, but let's turn it off and we want color correction. So let's see if it's working. So volume up and volume down keys, hold for 3 seconds. As you can see, our shortcut is set up. And it's back again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.